Koro wadhi ane achiel kachiel nyaka Kisumu kama Chenro.
Select the number of women and the number of men should be equal. We also want to say that this validation exercise will provide an opportunity for people with disability to be given chance to enhance their business through the business support program. And so I know we have about 1,500 youth currently in this ground of Moi Stadium. Out of this 1,500 youth, we are doing aptitude test. The aptitude test is being done through your phone, and as you answer the questions, a system is evaluating whether you can do business or not. And once this exercise is done, then you will get notification whether you are successful or not. And so I would like to urge all the youth that are currently queuing here to be patient and cooperate with the technical team that is undertaking this NYOTA validation to ensure smooth flow of the process and also to ensure the right candidates for this NYOTA project for business support are actually identified and fully supported. Now, once this validation process ends today, we are going to give the youth that will be selected to start a training program. The training will be on business skills to prepare you to be able to become better entrepreneurs. And also, once the training is done, you will be given Kenya shillings 50,000 to commence your business for those who are starting. And also for those who are already doing business, this money is going to help you to enhance as capital for your business. So the youth, I want to urge you to use this money wisely, and let us not take this opportunity to just get this money and consume it. Let this money be seed capital that will be able to change your life. And for the youth that are not going to get any opportunity today, because we are 1,500 and we are only selecting 70 per ward, I want to tell you that the government has opportunity for you. Various opportunities. We have the climate works for the youth that were already selected. The climate work process is ongoing, and you will be notified and you will get employment through this process. Our county commissioner here can confirm that they had already done the selection process. They're just awaiting implementation of that program. And I also want to talk to the youth who are graduates. Some may have indicated that they have just reached Form 4, but currently they are graduates. There are opportunities for internship for graduates, and also the government is doing this through the affordable housing program. Last week, a group of youth were subjected for interviews here at the Kisumu County grounds, and our county commissioner was in charge of that process through with another technical team, and some youth have already been selected. This is going to be communicated to the youth. So my message is that the government is taking is very concerned about youth unemployment and has come up with various initiatives. NYOTA is one of them, and that is why we are here today. Youth internship is one of them, and we have affordable housing also.